All right, we are live. Well, thank you everybody for joining this channel here. Hussein Rizz Trader. I am HRT. Today, it's gonna be a very chill trade. I feel it. It's gonna be very, very chill, relaxing trade today. And I wanted to start just a little bit early. Just a little bit early to go through some few things here lately, what we have been experiencing. So I'm gonna put this down real quick. And that is this. SPY has not been treating us the way it normally does. Alright? I'm gonna say it. Right? Seriously. It's been very wishy-washy. I mean, look at this. Just look at this, bro. You know? And I'm afraid we're gonna experience this again. Now, if we look at this right here, right? If we trade our strategy, right? Here's a break, right? Break on the VWAP. Here's a close. And then this retest, we would place a put. But look, it went against us. So, normally it's not normally the case. One or two times is fine, but repeating it again and again and again. Look at this one too. Here's a close. Here's a break. Here's the close, and then here's the retest. But yet it goes against us, and then after that it decides to go back up. So it's like, yeah, maybe this one this would have been terrible. My stop loss would have been right here. This wick right here. Anything below it, I will not be trading this. But look at that, Same thing can be said here. Take a look at this. Here's a break. Here's another break. Here's another break. Here's the close. And the retest is right here to place a put on the downside. But look, it goes against us. So we've entered a strange market, and that doesn't best benefits us, right? My strategy doesn't seem to work well in this kind of market. And this started, I would say, this week it actually started. This week it started. Now let's go back some 10 days ago, right? See if we experience similar. Let's take a look here, right? All right, we got a break. We got a close. Here's the retest. I mean, it's fairly close to the VWAP. You could definitely get in at a smaller size right here for a put and wait for the remaining to touch it. But the move went in our direction. Right, remember we trade change of direction, right? Now look at this one. Here's a break, here's a break, here's a break, here's a close. And then here's that retest. We would enter for call. Ta-da! Right? Just like that. It's just like that, right? It's very good. We would have made money right there, right? Take a look at this one. Here's a break, here's the close. Here's the retest to place a put. And just like that, it goes in that direction. So this week, unfortunately, SPY has been so wishy-washy. Here's a break, here's a close, here's the retest. Yes, this would definitely been a fail, which is fine. It's normal once in a while. It's just part of the other percentage of the probability where we will have to take an L, and that's fine. Here's the break, here's the close, and then we wait for the retest. We get the retest. Boom. Everything in that direction after that. So it's something about this week that we've really experienced a drastic change in the market. So SPY is very wishy-washy. Maybe perhaps it's the earnings season. By the way, I did figure this would happen, this turnaround, because I saw this on the 30 minutes. If you take a look at this. But always mark this kind of candles, always mark them. Where is it? The reason why this turned around, we have a wick here going up, is this. Look at this. Whenever you see this kind of candle, that's a really major indicator of demand, especially on the higher time. This is the 30 minutes. I mean, look at this. Price came here and tapped here and just buyers straight gunning for it, bringing the price way back up here. So that's a really very important candle information. I'm prepared to place a call here with SPY. Again, I'm trading light today. So I'll let you all know that. If we do get my strategy on SPY today, especially with this beautiful green candle, I am gonna buy it. I went ahead and enter the position right now with SPY, and then I'm gonna slowly get out as we move towards our direction. Again, I'm trading very lightly. I will not be surprised if it goes against me. Because remember, like we said, right? SPY is not been favoring us, right? I went ahead and entered right here. There we go. I'm willing to continue enter until right here, but if we start to move below it, I'm out. Right? I do like the fact that we are seeing a wick. It's a good sign. Alright, here we go. We're now really... Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and place this buy. Let me go ahead and do something real quick before it runs away from me. Alright, here we go. Our stop loss will probably gonna be here. Kind of sucks that I did bought it within the first 15 minutes, but I'm fine. Can't be wishy-washy here, guys. We made our decisions to buy. This is our strategy. But I like to wait it after the first 15 minutes, yeah. But we're gonna see. I will not be surprised if SPY really just goes against us right now. I will not be surprised at all. We're up about 40 bucks right now or so. 20. Oh, now it's just $20. All right. Here we go. Right? It's going against us right now. Here we go. We're gonna see a bounce up. I don't know. TQQ is currently below. SPY is struggling to move below, but we will see. So far, we're seeing wick. Bottom wicks is always in our favor, you know, but the top wick is not in our favor when we're going long. Here we go. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I'm not liking this. Come on, guys. I'm just kidding. We can't really be attached to the outcome. We have a strategy in place. If it goes against us, it is what it is. You know? Here we go. We need to see this candle move up. We need to not see this wick go below here, or even get any close to here. If it does, we lose money. We're going to call it a day. Anything below here for sure. Which I won't be surprised. After all, TQQ is still below here, so I'm gonna just kind of ease off, to be honest. This is the third attempt at pushing downward. Alright, here we go. We need to see that wick up, the body above. We need to see the body above the VWAP. Okay, buyers are seeming to step in right now. I'm very tempted to sell out of this position. Very tempting. Okay, we got a green finally. We're gonna move up. The question. I still haven't sold yet. Alright, I'm not liking this anymore. No, not liking it. Sellers are really in place. I mean, this is like the 5th times going like that. I mean, this is, yeah, sellers are definitely in place. But again, we're gonna sell this if it goes to the direction we're gonna have to sell, and that's fine. You gotta be patient. There we go. This is an incredible fight right now. We got 1 more minute here. Buyers are not doing too well in fighting this, but we'll see what happens. We have a very strong open for sure, which is in our favor. You know? Alright, here we go. We're gonna push this up. Anything below here, I'm just gonna get out at this point. Alright, we're gonna go call an L on this position. Ready for it. All right, we're gonna call an L on this because it start to decrease our loss right now. Okay, we're gonna start to decrease here. Slowly. Looks like things are not going our favor. All right, cool, we're done. All right, cool. We took a major L on this position, and that's fine. This is what this is the market we're in right now. You know, this wishy-washy market. So there we go. So right now we have a break right now. Take a look at this. We have a break. We're gonna wait for this body of this candle to be below this yellow. And then on the next candle, if we get a retracement to the yellow, we're gonna place a put. And we're gonna bet the market is gonna go down. Just as we bet the market is gonna go up and we took an L. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Alright, here we go. So far it looks like we may not be getting our retracement to add puts here. And that's okay. That's completely okay. To place put. Come on, let's see this go up here. That's what we need to see. We need to see above here. I won't be surprised if this we get our retracement, we enter to go long, and then the market changes again, goes back up. You know, we've been experiencing that this week too much, especially within the first hour. You know, it's a weird market, but that's been the case lately. I'm very tempted to enter very lightly here. Very, very, very tempted, especially at this body. We're gonna follow our rules, boys. We're gonna wait for the 9 or the 8. Here we go. Let's go. Let's enter here. I want to go ahead and place. Oh shoot! I bought the wrong one. It's fine. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and enter the correct this time. All right, I went ahead and placed it. Placed the put here. I placed the put. I repeat. I placed a trade. I'm gonna go ahead and enter again. All right, now we're now heavy on this trade. Let's go. Can we get a pull down, right? This is following our strategy. I will not be surprised if we don't get a pull down and we just move up and we have to sell for a loss, and that's okay. That's okay. It is what it is, you know? If that happens, cool. We're done, right? Here we go. We need to see this go down. If we're going to make any money, we need to see this go down, right? If it goes up, our sell's probably going to be around here. Actually, like right here will be our sell for a loss. And if that happens, and that's it, we're done for the day. This is just the kind of market we're in, and that's unfortunate. But if that's the case, that's that. You know what I mean? We'll go ahead and enter here again for another put. All right, here we go. Looks like we are in our money direction here. Are we making money right now? All right, we are up for a bit. We're gonna go ahead and sell here. Oops, gotta get to the right sell. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and sell here before I lose that. Oops, I was not paying attention, unfortunately. Not paying attention, but I can't even decide which one it is. Oh my gosh. What's up with the Weeble, bruv? I'm really confused. Give me a second, guys. I'm having a difficulty issue in selling here. Position. All right, here we go. Let me see here. All right, and now we're able to sell. All right, kind of sucks here. We did not sell when it was at like $100 some, but it is what it is. You know, I was having an issue with the difficulty in selling. That's something I gotta fix. Seems like I've been experiencing that bit too much times. But this would have been a very, you know, easy $300 one. But we had an issue with our selling, so it is what it is. You know, we made up you know, substantial amount of our loss earlier. We made up about $100. Could have made up a bit more if I did not have that issue. So I do gotta find a way to fix this. Like, I wish there was a better way. And I will find that out. But until then. But yeah, this would have been an easy $200-300 trade right here. But that's fine. All right, here we go. Let's refocus here. That's fine. Yeah, I appreciate you, Khadar. I mean, this is it's that simple. Like literally, bro. Like this candle, bro. We added multiple times here to go put, and look at it. You went all the way here. By this point here, it's $200, $300. But we had that, technical issue that I couldn't sell at the height of the price. But it is what it is. We took our W, and that's fine. We made up half of what we lost in the beginning, and that's okay. That's okay. But this is definitely unacceptable, though. I will have to figure this out. I will have to do it, and I will. Until then, I mean, come on, bro. Look at this beauty going all the way down. It's all right. QQ is really up. Yeah, this is a nice trade. Look at this, right? We bought it here. We could have sold it here, but I was so flustered by the issue of not able to sell because I was afraid it's gonna go against me. Imagine it was going against me at a higher magnitude of pressure, just going against me, and I couldn't sell. That's what I was afraid of. But yeah, I'll definitely figure this out. All right, cool. Glad we made up a good portion of our first trade L, which is fine. Now we wait. Let me hear real quick. Oh shoot, I'm gonna give you an example right here. Follow me on this one. Ready for this one? So we had this candle right here, right? The price broke below the fair value. That's VWAP. It broke it and it went below, right? And now we're gonna wait for a full 5 minutes to determine if we're gonna still maintain down. We just broke it. Are we actually gonna have the body close below? And we did. The full body. There's another 5 minutes have passed by where the price maintained below after the break. So now what we're gonna do is any retracement to that fair value, we're going to say we're gonna short it. We're gonna the price is gonna go down because there are now enough sellers that managed to have the price just previously 5 minutes literally maintained it down, and another retracement to the fair value, we're gonna short it. We're gonna bet that the market is gonna go down, and that's what we did on this trade, and we succeeded. We succeeded on this trade. We could even made more money had we even hold it all the way here. We succeeded on this trade very well, and so that's what we do, right? On the upside is also true, right? On the upside is also true, right? The price broke the fair value market, right? The fair value price where you want to buy the Apple. You don't want to buy Apple at 2K, but you're willing to buy at 1K type shit, right? So it broke that. Done, right? And now we're gonna wait for a full 5 minutes to see if it's gonna maintain above it. This is just a break. We're gonna maintain above it, and it did maintain above it. And the next 5 minutes, any retracement to the market value, we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy, and you hope that it's gonna continue up because now there are enough buyers who literally, for a full 5 minute, maintained after a break. They maintained it above, and so we're gonna buy the fair value and hope that's gonna continue going up. Because we have our odds has increased now. We have a full 5 minute. You know what I mean? I hope that makes sense, bro. I hope that made sense. Give me a thumbs up, bro, if that made sense. Give me a thumbs up here. That's what we're gonna do. So with that all said, bro, I hope you guys have all found this valuable. I'm definitely gonna do some journaling over the weekend and all that stuff. And there was no reason for us to have taken L today, and because today our setup did came and we would have made money. It's right here on the put side, and we would have just called it a day. So there was no reason for us to have ended the day with loss today. The only reason why we did that because we broke a rule and we also chased. And so now you need to sit back, relax, and journal, and be very disciplined because trading, it's really you you learn about yourself when it comes to trading. You learn about your emotions, and you need to come back. If you can make a mistake, hey, go forward and come back from the mistake. And that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do throughout this weekend. I hope everybody enjoys your weekend. And let's go. All right. Enjoy your Friday, everybody. Appreciate you for joining, Kedar. All right. Take care.